therapists. Yes, you heard that right. Baristas, we are like unlicensed therapists. Hi, here are the things that no one told me before joining Barista. But yeah, here I am telling to you. So, first thing is, it's not all about coffee. Yeah, it's like 60% cleaning, 20% service, 10% unlicensed therapists, and 10% coffee. So why cleaning has big percentages? So it's all about cleaning the machines, the all equipment, the area, the shop itself, like everything should be clean before serving any coffee. So mostly when you're joining baristas, most of us, or the big amount of people, we think it's all about, especially latte art, because that's the first thing we see before realizing the coffee itself. Most of people, we see the latte art, and later when we get into the coffee, that's when we get to understand, oh, okay, I need to learn more about coffee. Hey, okay, now I think I need more skills about cleaning itself. So cleaning holds big percentages of the job itself, like, or not only the job, just for all baristas, either you are the coffee shop, trucks, or home baristas. So again, the 20% service. 20% service, it's because you're going to do the service for your equipment, like the cleaning, it's a service. There are some maintenance. There's some maintenance will requires you to do them. And another service like restocking, like serving, like checking up with the suppliers, all these things. Another thing is about therapists. Yes, you heard that right. Baristas, we are like unlicensed therapists, because that's where you will hear a lot of things. People with the breakups, people with the bad bosses, people who had the rough days, they will all come to you, because most of people nowadays, when they have like bad moment, bad time, they think of what? Coffee. And who makes the coffee? Barista. Yeah. So another thing is 10% coffee. The coffee itself, it's like 10% in this career. And a lot of people, they think like it's about latte art. So in these percentages of the career, latte art, it can have like 1%. Yes, you heard me right. It's like 1%, because that's something like, it comes on the last, decorating, just attraction, but it can take you like years to practice, to perfect that design. But guess what? One sip, it disappears. But again, with this one sip or second sip, if your coffee tastes bad, they will forget how perfect your art was. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys to understand, like, before you dive into barista, there is a lot. It's not only the coffee, it's not only about latte art. No, there is a lot of things there. So you just have to stay strong, keep fighting.